Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. The first limit theorem is the limit of a constant function. Now, the constant function is a function that is equal to a certain constant. Generally, if we have here f of x equal to k, where k is any constant. Now, this is the simplest in the first limit theorem because it's easy to understand this one. Let's say, for example, if we are going to solve for the limit of our function f of x here as x approaches to any number, okay, the result will be the constant itself. Or of course, you could rewrite it in this manner: the limit of k, which is the function itself, as x approaches certain c, is k in itself. Let us have a certain example here. Let's say our f of x is equal to 8. Okay? If our f of x is equal to 8 and we're solving for the limit of our function as x approaches to a certain constant, let's say 1, this would be written as the limit of our given function 8 as x approaches 1 will result to the same value of 8. Now, this is also true even if the value your x is approaching to here is changed. Let's say the limit of the same function f of x as x approaches to, let's say, -5. This will still be equal to the limit of 8 as x approaches -5 will still be equal to the 8 itself. So it doesn't matter what's the value here x is approaching to, because in the first place our function doesn't contain any variable x. Okay, let's have one more example here. Let's say our g of x is equal to -3. So if you're solving for the limit of g of x as x approaches to, let's say, 0, this will still be the limit of our -3 as x approaches 0. This is still the -3 in itself. So basically, in simple sense, the limit of a constant function is the constant itself. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.